Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with picture or photo on SHARP Aquos R2, at first you have to go for the settings. Next move to the system, select languages and input, click on the virtual keyboard, select Gboard, then move for the theme. And right now click right here on the left upper corner and then select picture that you want to set up as your theme. You can also change this picture a little bit, so set up the scale. And I think that I'm going to take this part of the picture, then click the next. Here we can set up transparency, click done, and you can also turn off key borders to see this picture better. So click apply, and as you can see right now, our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.